Here's how to reset your PC or laptop without deleting your personal files. So this is helpful if your computer is having problems and you want to restore its original settings. So first, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of the screen and then select the Settings icon. Now click on Update and Security. Then after, hover your mouse to the recovery option from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between Troubleshoot and Activation. You'll get the option to reset this PC or go for advanced startup. If you want to go ahead and reset, click on Get Started option and then give administrative privileges. Select Keep My Files instead of Remove Everything. This will reinstall Windows while preserving your documents and data. Then you'll have the option to perform a cloud download or local reinstall. I recommend cloud download, but if that does not work, you can use local reinstall as well. This process will reset all of your settings to your defaults, but your personal documents, photos, and videos will remain same. However, any third-party applications you have installed will be uninstalled and you'll need to reinstall them afterwards. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.